Why should I organize my desk drawers? Have you ever found yourself rummaging through your desk drawers, searching for that one pen or charger? It can be frustrating, right? Organizing your desk drawers can change that experience completely. Let's talk about why this simple task is so important for creating an effective study environment. First off, an organized desk drawer helps reduce clutter and distractions. When everything has its place, you can quickly grab what you need without wasting precious time. Imagine being able to find your notebooks, stationery, or chargers in seconds. This accessibility allows you to maintain focus during your study sessions, which is key to being productive. Moreover, having a well-organized drawer system encourages good habits. When you consistently return items to their designated spots, you develop a sense of discipline. Over time, this habit can extend beyond your desk, improving your overall organization skills in other areas of your life. Using dividers or small containers inside your drawers can make a big difference. By separating different categories of items, you keep everything neat and easy to access. For instance, you could have one section for writing tools and another for electronic accessories. This systematization not only saves time but also energy, allowing you to focus more on studying. Another benefit of organized desk drawers is the sense of control they provide. A cluttered workspace can lead to increased anxiety and hinder your concentration. On the other hand, a tidy space supports mental clarity and calmness. This improved mindset can boost your ability to absorb information and complete tasks effectively. So, how do you get started? Begin by emptying your drawers. Remove unnecessary items that you no longer use. Next, prioritize frequently used supplies in the top drawer for easy access. Group items by purpose to make finding things a breeze. For example, keep all your writing tools together and your electronic accessories in another section. By organizing your desk drawers, you are optimizing your study environment. You promote efficiency, reduce distractions, and create a calm, focused space that is conducive to learning. Plus, it feels great to have everything in order. So, why not take a little time today to organize those drawers? You will be amazed at how much it can improve your study experience.